Introducing MySmartWindows by QuietCool. The MySmartWindows Smart Window Opener is the best way to control and automate the windows in your home. The Smart Window Opener is simple to install and works on most standard windows, vertical or horizontal, from 2 to 3 feet. For larger windows, the extension kit allows you to install on a window up to 5 feet. When you open up the box, you will find the Smart Window Opener, the removable solar panel, and a hardware box including the mounting brackets, window track, install tool, charging cable, and cleaning wipes. The first step to install the window opener is to remove the existing window locks that are on your window. The window opener is able to lock the window at twice the locking force of the existing window locks at any window position. This means that even when the window is open, the window will be locked and in position. The next step is to find the center point of the window using a tape measure. Mark this position with a pen. Once marked, find the center mounting bracket. Peel the backing off of the tape and, using the line on the bracket, center and place the mounting bracket on the window. Next, find the blue install tool. Place the install tool against the window on the left-hand side. Make sure it is aligned to the window on the front and the left. Peel the backing off of one of the side mounting brackets and place it in the center of the install tool. Next, take one of the window tracks, peel the backing off of the tape, and place it on the window frame, ensuring that the bottom of the track is in contact with the install tool and the track is fit snugly to the window frame. You may need to add additional window track pieces to the window depending on how tall or wide the window is and how far you plan on opening the window. We include 6 total window tracks in the box, and these can be cut to size if necessary. Now, we will repeat this process on the right side of the window. Now, we will install the Smart Window Opener. Remove the window adjustment brackets from the bottom of the window opener and place them on the mounting brackets on the window. Slide the window opener onto the center mounting bracket. Once complete, slide the arms over the side mounting brackets, ensuring they are fully in contact with each other, and align the gears to the window track. The install is now complete. You can now operate your window in many different ways. The Smart Window Opener features a built-in lock switch on the front that allows you to operate the window manually. Or you can utilize the up or down button on the front of the window to move the window to your preset open position, or close it completely. And with the mobile app, you can control your window from anywhere in your home. For more information, please visit us at MySmartWindows.com.